Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots and lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Some of you have even dubbed me the queen of giveaways, which I'll take that title. So every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of January, it is the Nomad Berlin palette. I'll put a link that'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that one in the description box down below. I will also put a link in there for our big, huge giveaway that we posted in honor of our 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. In it, it has a sold out Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson palette in it. So make sure to check that out. And then I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 700 subscribers. So help us get there. So today we are talking Testtube. Testtube ships out every other month. It's mainly skincare items. Every once in a while they will throw in, you know, a hair care or also every once in a blue moon kind of a makeup item. But majority of it is skincare. So it's $29.95 every other month. That is if you do an annual subscription, which will bring it to $149.75 a year, and it's a saving of $38.90, which is, you know, the savings of one free tube, so 1/6 of your price you save just by doing the yearly subscription. I think I need to look into that because I think mine's just an annual, and I've had it over a year, love it, and so I need to kind of look and see what I need to do to upgrade that for a full year. So one of the reasons, so Testtube is brought to you by New Beauty. With your subscription, you also get a New Beauty magazine mailed out to you. So, you know, all the products are here in a tube. There are a couple products that didn't fit in the tube, and so they just came in the box itself. So there is a magazine that talks about all of the different products. This one says the matchmaker. There's nothing quite as good as the feeling you get when you recommend a beauty product to a friend and they end up absolutely loving it. There's something even more satisfying about it when a brand that they've never heard of selfishly makes you feel like you have a magical super sleuth / matchmaking skills, which is why we especially love this month's Testtube, a bit of a private beauty detective starter kit that offers some off-the-radar must-haves as you can test, share, play with, talk about, and do a bit of influencing on your own. So here it looks like never have I thought of putting a mask here. Never have I seen a mask for here. This is the Bawdy Butt is the New Face. Citrus Butt Cheeks. A mask basically for your derriere. I have never. I do a masking review series on this channel where I try on different masks for you guys. Won't be trying this one on for you guys because nobody wants to be looking. What? So there's 2 sheets. You put it on there for 10 minutes. They're trying to be a little cheeky here, you guys. It says, a cheeky take on skincare. The citrus sheet mask makes care for the skin on your behind by brightening, hydrating, and plumping. I got a lot of plumping going on right here. But if it helps plump out so you don't see the cellulite, that I might do. Each pack comes with 2 halves of the mask to make sure all the bases, these guys, are covered. Apply to clean skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. The editor's feedback is the best part about working in the beauty industry is that you get to try the most innovative and new products before anyone else, and we got to share them with you. This mask is definitely a serious innovator. The key ingredients are a powerful combination of citrus fruit extracts, namely lemon, cucumber, orange peel, and grapefruit. Brightens and exfoliates the skin. The Bawdy Butt Sheet Mask is formulated with citrus to brighten and rejuvenate your butt. It helps reduce the appearance of blemishes, alleviate dullness, leaving your skin plump, hydrated, and radiant looking. It's like sunshine for your behind. The butt sheet masks are formulated to tone, smooth, firm, and improve texture. Apply to clean skin as shown. Keep on for 10 to 15 minutes. Peel sheets off. Feel butt beautiful. I don't even know what to say, you guys. I am dumbfounded. Are you serious? It kind of makes sense a little bit in some ways, but who would ever think of that? What are you gonna have them for your mask for your belly now in other areas? Wow. So it does retail for $9. I have tried some Soon masks before, so I'm really happy about these. I'm assuming that these are all face masks. They're really, really thick though. So this is the Soon Skincare Face Mask Trio, ranging from $18 to $22. And they're Holy Trinity affirming and hydrating sheet masks that transform your skin in less than 20 minutes, thanks to the powerhouse ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. How to remove both backings on each side of the mask. Place masks on clean skin and then use the tabs on either side to remove the overlaying mesh cover. Remove after 15 to 20 minutes and pat remaining serum into the face. I really love masks like that. They are so much easier to put on, so much easier to kind of unfold. Editor's feedback is these masks deliver a guaranteed glow in the bag. I don't like rushing them. They're more of a sit in the bath, relax type of ritual. Key ingredients are precious Capua fruit seeds removed from the pulp, left to dry in the sun, and then cold pressed to create a rich copula butter. So we have the Biocellulose Anti-Aging Face Mask. There is the Micro Whole Hydrogel Collagen Mask and the Biocellulose Firming Face Mask. So like I said before, I do a masking review series. I will try on these for you guys, not trying on that other one for you, and let you know kind of what I think. So be on the lookout for these in an upcoming masking video. And then the rest of everything is here in the tube. I love how sturdy these things are. You could put like makeup brushes. There's all sorts of different ways. I have in my bath, one of my drawers, all my hair ribbons in one, all my scrunchies kind of in another. So there's all sorts of ways for you guys to kind of reuse these things. So the first product that I'm pulling out is by Pore. It is Protect Me Defense Facial Moisturizer. This retails for $50. And it's a moisturizer meets sunscreen meets antioxidant. The lightweight cream, defense against UV rays, free radical damages, and dryness. It does have a broad spectrum of 30 in it. And how to use: apply at least 15 minutes before going into the sun exposure. Headed to yoga, no sweat, because this formula was designed with exercise in mind and stays put no matter what you put it through. Editor's feedback: it's a multitasking wonder worker. It also works great as a hand cream. We don't forget our hands need moisturizer and sun protection too. Key ingredients are fatty acids, support the skin barrier function. Vitamins B5 and E fight free radicals, while vitamin A helps encourage healthy skin turnover. Sterilus works to moisturize your skin, while calming ingredients like camellia and ribulus mitigate redness. I was just putting on my kind of sunscreen today, and I was like, I am getting towards the end of it, and so I needed a new one, so I'm happy about this. By Caolion is the Pore White Cake Pack, a radiance boosting facial in a jar that delivers deep hydration, purges pores, and exfoliates and helps the fruit and enzymes and Amazonian clay. So basically it's a clay mask is what I got out of that. How to use: apply to areas of your face that need a little extra attention and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. What the editor loves about it is that the mask is that it can also be used as spot treatment on oily areas like the T-zone. When I get blackheads from my nose, it works like a charm. Key ingredients are Amazonian white clay, removes impurities, while a combination of rice powder and buckwheat flour prevents future breakouts by gently removing dead skin cells. If I can get into it, I would be happy to show this to you guys. It does come with kind of a little spatula. You kind of dig in, so you're not putting your dirty fingers in here trying to smush it all over your face. I do wish that somebody would come up with some way to like attach this to it so you're not always losing it. Here's what the product itself looks like. I thought there would be more product, I guess, in here than, because it's about down to here. Anyway, I will do this in an upcoming clay mask video and let you know what I think. This does retail for $37. Buy 10 free nail color is a hyper clean, long wearing polish packed with natural ingredients and peptides for beautiful pigment. This does retail for $18 for a nail polish. Apply 2 coats, that's all that's needed for streak and guilt-free color. Ooh, it is a really pretty, I really like this color. It's like a dark gray, but has a little, maybe tad hint of purple in it. This is a win-win polish. The formula glides on perfectly, so it looks so good and does good things for the nails. It has celery seed extract, improves the appearance of nail ridges, while a blend of peptides, ceramides, and biotin support nail structure. What you won't find in the ingredient label is formaldehyde, toluene, and 16 other common toxins. I'm excited for this. By Naturally G for You is a retinol anti-wrinkle serum or instant eye repair serum. The retinol serum, dual serum that brightens, exfoliates, and firms skin for a glowing effect. As an eye serum, so you could have had your choice from Naturally G for You is the retinol anti-wrinkle serum or an instant eye repair serum. I did get the retinol serum, which is a dual serum that has a glowy effect. If I had to choose between the two, which you're not able to choose, but I would have chosen this one. The retinol serum applies a thin layer. Apply a thin layer after cleansing. Just remember to apply SPF, as retinol can cause skin to be more reactive to sunlight. That's why one of the reasons, I mean, I'm always wearing an SPF, but that's also one of the reasons why I do my retinol in the evening. Editor's feedback: this perfect nighttime duo. The multitasking serum helps brighten the skin. The retinol serum has vitamin C, defense against, so this has vitamin C in it too? Defense against free radicals and vitamins, to stimulate collagen production to minimize the appearance of fine lines. I am almost out of the retinol that I have been using, so I am actually kind of excited for this. You know, you got a little bit, it has a little bit of a smell to it, but nothing that's like overpowering or anything like that. I'm going to be putting this one in my nightly routine very, very soon. By Supersmile, this, and with a toothbrush that feels kind of weird. What? Is a new generation 45 degrees toothbrush and extra whitening system. Retails from $9 and $12. What it is, on the go with Supersmile most advanced whitening system, a professional whitening toothpaste and professional whitening accelerator that works together to eliminate the surface stains, plus a patented 45-degree toothbrush. Add a pearl-sized drop to the whitening toothpaste and a pearl-sized drop of the accelerator on the dry toothbrush. And brush for 2 minutes morning and night. Editor's feedback: I couldn't live without my daily coffee and wine intake. This whitening kit makes sure I don't have to. The biggest notice I notice on my teeth is the tea, because I don't drink coffee, but tea I do. Key ingredients: it keeps all smileys white and healthy. Caolion and the toothpaste removes stains without abrasion, calcium, magnesium, phosphate, and fluoride, remineralized tooth enamel. And I know that I have a really problem with my tooth enamel, especially in back teeth, because I have a hiatal hernia. So when I sleep, some of that acid gets in the back and starts kind of eroding away those back teeth. So anything I can do to help protect that enamel, I am all for. So by FURTERER Paris is the Style Vegetal Texture Spray. And what this is a lightweight dry styling spray with vitamin B5 that gives new life to tired tresses without leaving behind residue. Hold 10 inches from dry hair and spray for volume and texture, or apply before styling updos and braids for an additional grip. Editor's note, this non-powdery spray gave my usual thin hair more volume, texture, and shine. It created a flexible texture to hold style to create a more tousled look. I love that my hair feels full but still has movement and bouncy. Key ingredients are Hair Hero Vitamin B5 adds moisture, and cacao extract locks it in for healthy glossy strands that protect against environmental damage. I do love that it doesn't have any residue, especially people with dark hair like I do. A lot of times stuff like this can leave a little residue, then it looks like you have white flakes going on, and nobody wants that. So the total of this box, $186. I mean, you only spent 20 something on the box itself, plus, $8 for shipping. So, it's not bad for what you get. You get to try out some different things that you would normally not have tried. I'm really looking forward to this one and the retinol with the vitamin C. I'm really looking forward to. I don't know to look forward to this or not. It has me intrigued. So, we'll see. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet too, it does really mean a lot to me. When you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.